Hello programmers, welcome to my YouTube channel Techie Projects. So in this video we'll have to resolve one particular error, that is OpenCV Python. Okay, and no module name CV2 library. So I'm trying to run that particular project and got that error. So let's open terminal here, run the project Python space start project .py, then enter that particular library issue, module not found error, no module name CV2. So for that, first we have to check that Python is installed or not in that system. So we have to write system environment variable. Just click on it, then click on environment variable and double click on the path. So see, Python 3.8 is already installed in that laptop. So what we have to do, we have to just copy that location Python 3.8 and then click on OK and paste that location here, then enter. So see, Python 3.8 is already installed in that laptop and also added location in the environment variable. So let's go back. We have to install a particular library, that is CV2 is OpenCV. So write pip install OpenCV -python, then enter. So it will downloading the OpenCV library, that is 4.13.0. It will be around 40 MB. Downloading the NumPy of greater than 2.0. Okay, now successfully installed OpenCV. So let's check the version of OpenCV. So we have to write pip show OpenCV -python, then enter. OpenCV library is installed in that laptop and the library version 4.13.0.90. So let's end this video here. We'll again continue with the next session. And if you're facing any error in that particular project or any of your project, then just let me know in the comment section, or you can directly contact us on WhatsApp. I will share the WhatsApp number in description. This is a WhatsApp number. You can directly contact us on WhatsApp number if you are facing any error. So we are working on multiple domains like Python, Java, Android, machine learning, deep learning, AI, neural network, OpenCV, Django, React.js, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and many more. Okay, proper list for the engineering students. And in that, if you click on any of the project title, then it will give the complete information about project and the YouTube video. If you click on the play button, then it will play the video. In that, it will show the complete working of project. Like this is the accident detection system and will identify the accident as a minor or major accident. And this will be the software and hardware requirement. Contact us for more queries and check out related projects in different domain. If you click on the deep learning projects, then it will open the complete list of deep learning. It will be around 152 projects are there. Let's go back. If you want to download that particular list, then I will share the link in video description. You can download from them, or you can directly contact us on WhatsApp. I will share that particular list. So let's end this video here. We'll again continue with the next session. Thank you friends for watching my video. If any, then subscribe channel and share with your friend. Thank you.